All right, let's look at the homework 1.6, problem number 7, part B. All right, so first I'm gonna let this guy equal to theta. All right, then since we don't like sine, so I'm gonna take the sine of both sides. So this will give us a sine of 7 pi over 3, over 3 is equal to sine of theta, right? And remember that because of the restriction, arc sine is going to be a range in arc sine is between negative pi over 2 to positive pi over 2, right? So it's very tempting to say, oh, this is theta is going to be 7 pi over 3, right? That's not the case. Simply 7 pi over 3 just way too big, right? So what we need to do is we need to equivalent angle, the angle that makes sine the same value as sine of 7 pi over 3. Right, and the theta has to be between negative pi over 2 and a positive pi over 2. Right, so I'm going to draw unit circle. Alright, here's the x-axis, here's the y-axis, and the origin. And here is negative 1, and this is positive 1. Here is negative 1, here's positive 1. Alright, then we're going to draw a unit circle here. Alright. Then we know that the point on the unit circle can be represented by cosine of theta comma sine of theta. So the y coordinate of the point on the unit circle is going to be the sine value. Right, so let's look at the angle 7 pi over 3. So 7 pi over 3 is pi over 3 over 2 pi. I mean not over, I mean on top of 2 pi. So angle wise, this is the angle. So it's going to actually go all the way around. That's 6 pi over 3. Then you go one more pi over 3. So this is the angle. So that's that. Alright, so this is basically pi over 3 is 60 degrees. So here, this is pi over 3. Right. So you can see that the angle we're looking at is equivalent to just simply pi over 3. And pi over 3 is between negative pi over 2 and positive pi over 2. So that would work out. So therefore, theta is equal to pi over 3. So this gives us, from the picture, theta is equal to pi over 3, which means that this arc sine value is pi over 3. So let's put it in. So we get pi, let's see, symbol, pi, and over 3. All right. So let's double check, submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.